Thank you.
So, Sergeant Kotkowski, what is shown in exhibit number 54?
That's the defendant's, I believe it's his left foot.
And who took this photograph?
I took that photograph with my cell phone.
All right. And that's what we heard during the statement. Is that fair to say?
Yes.
Could we have exhibit number 55, please? What is in 55?
That's the defendant's lower right leg.
And could we have 56, please? What is in 56?
Another photo of the defendant's right foot, the bottom of his right leg.
57, please, Ms. Gilman? And what is that?
A photo of the defendant's left hand and arm.
Ms. Gilman, is there any way to make them a little bit bigger, or is that better than that? Okay. And could you go down just a little bit? I should have been clear the other way. Thank you. Okay. And could we have 58, please? And what is in exhibit number 58?
That's a photo of the defendant's left hand, palm, and wrist.
Thank you. Could we have exhibit number 59? And what's in 59?
That's a photo of the defendant's right hand.
Ms. Gilman, can you zoom in a little bit, please? Yeah, can you move it down a little bit? Thank you. And could we have exhibit 60, please? What's in exhibit number 60?
That's a photo of the defendant's right hand, palm, wrist.
Okay, and could we have exhibit 61? And what is that a photograph of?
It's a photo of the left side of the defendant's head.
Okay, and exhibit number 62. And what's in exhibit number 62?
That's a photo of the defendant's left forehead.
And did you take all of these photographs in 54 through 62 with your cell phone?
Did?
At a later point in time, did you arrange to have somebody else take photographs?
Yes.
And who was that?
That was a trooper from Crime Scene Services.
Okay. And did he or she take photographs with a camera?
Yes, he did.
Sorry, we have to like that down. Could we have exhibit number 70, please, Ms. Gilman? And what is that photograph?
That's a photo of the defendant's left side of his forehead.
And is that a fair and accurate representation of how his forehead looked on May 16th of 2020?
Yes.
Could we have 71, please? And what is in 71?
That's a photo of the right side of the defendant's head.
And is that a fair and accurate representation of his, what you saw on his forehead on the 16th?
Yes.
Could we please have 72? What is 72?
That's a photo of the defendant's right hand.
Right. Can you zoom in just a little bit, Ms. Gilman? Thank you. And there's a ruler in there. Where's the ruler from?
That's from the trooper from Crime Scene Services.
Okay. And is that typical that they use a ruler when they take photographs?
Yes.
Could we please have 73, please? And what is 73?
That's a photo of the defendant's left arm.
And could we have 74, please? And what's in 74?
I believe that's a close-up photo of the defendant's left arm, some scratches.
Okay. And does that one have a ruler?
Yes, it does.
Could we have 75, please? And what's in exhibit number 75?
I believe that's the defendant's left wrist.
Okay. And there's some black marking on his hand in this picture. Is that fair to say?
That is.
What is that?
That's fingerprint ink.
Okay. And could we please have number 76? What's that?
That's a photo of the defendant's knees.
Okay. Could we please have exhibit number 77? What is exhibit number 77?
A photo of maybe the defendant's right arm. I'm not sure if it's right or left arm, but I think the right arm.
And could we have exhibit 78, please? What's on exhibit number 78?
A photo of the defendant's left ankle.
Could we have exhibit 79, please? What's exhibit number 79?
A photo of the defendant's left foot.
Okay, and exhibit what is in exhibit number 80?
I believe that's the defendant's right arm.
And could we have exhibit number 81, please? What's in 81?
It's a photo of the defendant's left foot.
And could we have exhibit 82, please? What is in exhibit 82?
That's a photo of the defendant's right leg.
And could we have exhibit number 83, please? Are you able to tell what body part exhibit 83 is?
I'm not, no.
Is there a ruler in that photograph as well?
There is.
And exhibit number 84. What is in exhibit 84?
A photo of the defendant's shin.
And could we have exhibit number 85, please? Can you describe what's in exhibit 85?
I believe that's another photo of the defendant's shin.
Could we have 86, please? What's exhibit number 86?
That's a photo of the defendant's kneecap.
And could we have 87, please? What's in exhibit 87?
I'm not sure what body part that is, if it's an arm or a leg.
Anything that you were asking the trooper to memorialize in that picture?
Yes, any scrape or cut. Yeah,
Okay. And was that generally the purpose of taking these photographs?
it was.
I'm sorry, I can't see. Is that 87? Okay, thank you. Could I have exhibit 88, please? And what is contained in exhibit number 88?
A photo, I believe, of the defendant's leg.
Okay, thank you. Can I have the lights back on, please? Thank you. So subsequent to May 15th and 16th, did you apply for any search warrants?
I did.
And what search warrant did you apply for?
I applied for and was granted a search warrant for the defendant's clothing and belongings from Norwood Hospital.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes.
Some items together with a bag that have been marked exhibit number 290. Can you
I
just
stand?
take out, yeah, is it okay, Sergeant, stand up? Yes. Can you take out the contents? What is that?
These are the defendant's jeans.
Okay. And is there anything in the jeans?
There's a belt attached.
Okay. All right. And do you recognize these?
Yes, I do.
Did you collect these?
Yes, I did.
Where did you collect these from?
From Norwood Hospital.
Okay. So if we could put them back in the bag. Sergeant, is there any writing on the outside of that bag?
There is
What writing generally is contained on the outside of the bag?
date of location, who collected it, description of what's inside the bag, and from where.
Okay. And are there any names on the bag?
Yes, there is.
Whose names are on the bag?
My name is on the bag.
Okay. And is that writing yours as well?
It is.
Okay. Just take that. Okay, and then I take out.
That's okay, that's fine. I have examined all the exhibits. I don't have to examine them at this point, Judge. I'm satisfied with no objection.
And these were admitted by agreement?
Yes.
Showing you what's been marked as exhibit number 289. Can you please take that out
Nora, may I
and
stand?
hold it up?
Yes, you can stand.
And what is that?
This is a white T-shirt or white shirt.
Okay. And is it your understanding, how did the clothes come to be in that condition? You can put it back in the bag.
And the clothes are likely cut from the EMTs.
Okay. And could we play exhibit number 278 at this time, please, Ms. Gilman?
Which date would you like?
The 15th. Pardon just a minute, please, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right, and can you play the second video, please? Just pause it for a second, Ms. Gilman. Sergeant Kotkowski, is there a time that's on the video?
There is.
What is it?
It's approximately 5:30 a.m.
And do you have an understanding about the accuracy of the timestamp on this video?
The timestamp is off by about 7 minutes.
And what is your understanding about what these two clips are?
So that's video surveillance from the residence in hotel in Dedham of the defendant walking into the hotel.
Okay. Can you please continue playing? Okay, I have the lights back on, please. What, if anything, did you do on Sunday, May 17th of 2020 in connection with this investigation?
I spoke to Dr. Matthews from the medical examiner's office.
And on Tuesday, May 19th, what, if anything, did you do?
Myself and Detective Lavery from the Dover Police, we conducted an additional neighborhood canvass of the home and Valley Road and the pond.
And throughout the end of May and June, what, if anything, else did you do?
I participated in additional interviews of witnesses.
And as various persons have spoken with police and the prosecution throughout the last 5 years, has it been your responsibility to document those statements?
Yes.
In directing your attention now to the spring of 2021, the end of March, what, if anything, did you do?
So I believe it was March 19th, I collected a DNA sample from the defendant.
And can you explain how you did that?
It was a saliva sample.
And so how does one collect a saliva sample?
So essentially, the kit it's basically like a lollipop stick, and you swab the inside of someone's mouth to collect their saliva. And then you transfer that saliva onto a piece of paper and give that to the lab.
Okay. And what, if anything, did you do with the saliva sample that you took from Dr. Carter?
I brought it to the State Police Crime Lab.
Just a minute, please.
Yes.
No further questions at this time, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.